Hello class 5th student. We continue our story of the three friends and started second part. In the first part we see that the fox forgotten his promise and break the trust of the two friends like penguin and reindeers. The same day penguin and reindeer found another place full of food, and the same thing happened again with fox. Means at the same day when the fox told to the other animals, at the same day penguin and reindeer found another place that is full of food, and the same thing happened again with the fox. Means they both penguin and the reindeer looked happy, and when fox see them, why you are happy, he asked for it, then they tell, and fox again say that they have to keep trust on him. But the same thing happened again. The fox told to everyone. So the reindeer and the penguin, angered by his betrayal. Betrayal means dishonesty. Okay. So angered by his dishonesty or the anger by his betrayal, they decided to teach fox a lesson. Means they want that the fox should be punished. The next day they told fox that they had found a lake full of fish, that no effort was needed to catch them. Means the for trying to teach a lesson for the fox, what they do, they told fox that they found a lake, or you can say the pond, which is full of fish. There is a lot of fishes, and without any effort or easily animals can catch them. Okay, there is no need to catch them. There is a lot of fishes. So fox again told everyone in the village about this. The next day fox came by covered in cut and bruise. Means the next day, means the whole happening is done at that day. On the next day when the fox came, it is covered in cuts and brushes. Means cuts and bruises means घाव, bonds, चोट, ना? Cut and brushes. After talling means brushes is a condition, means after a cutting, when the upper skin is removing out and the inner bony structure, or the more when the bond is deeper, that condition known as the bruise. Okay, so cut and brushes. Who have these cut and brushes? Fox. After telling all the animals about the lake full of fish, everyone, including even the polar bear, had gone there. Means when the fox told all the animals about the fishes, then all animals go for that particular lake for catching the fishes. But not finding anything, they felt deceived. Deceived means to be unfaithful. Means they can't believe on that. They can't believe about this. So when they don't find any fish there, and gave fox a good beating for telling a lie, all the animals beat the fox very well. For realize that keeping people trust is very important, and that to get it in the first place You have to earn it with loyalty and always keeping your words. And always keeping your word. Means for realized that keeping people's trust is very important. You all have to maintain the trust. You never tell a lie to anyone. If somebody tells you the secret, you need not to expose it. And that to get it in the first place, you have to earn it with loyalty and always keeping your word. Means if you want to get this trust, you have to maintain the loyalty. Means need not to dishonest, need not to unfaithful, and always keeping your words. If you promise to someone, then you have to keep your promise. Need not to be dishonest. Penguin and reindeer devised another trick for fox. Means they want to know that fox improving himself or not. So penguin and reindeer devise means to invent a new way to do something. Devise means to invent or to propose a new way to do something. So they find a new trick, another trick for the fox. But as he was no longer a big mouth, means now he is not a big mouth, he need not to tell all things to another. Means he realized his mistake. He did not betray them. Now they did not ditch them. Betrayed means dhoka. Ditched, dhoka. So the fox did not betray them, and penguin and reindeer regained their faith in fox. Means after watching this, after feeling this, after seeing this, that fox now changed. He don't tell anyone their secrets. So the fox retained their trust, retained their faith. And now the reindeer and the penguin forgiving him for his mistake. So in this way you see that the keeping trust is very important. You need not to break the trust. You have to maintain the promises which you do. Thank you, class. We continue in the next part.